friends, I'm Kanaf. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make slime with my sister Vioni. So let's start, Vioni.
Let's start.
For making slime, we need these things: slime glue, borax powder, wooden sticks, a spoon, glitter, paint colors, and bowl. Vioni, first we have to pour some water in this bowl, okay? Okay, Vioni? Then we have to put borax powder in it. Vioni, what is this?
Borax powder.
Yes. We love making slime, na?
This is my water.
Now we have to mix it.
Yes.
With which spoon?
Yes.
Wooden spoon or this spoon? This one very good. We have to mix it with the normal spoon. Now we have to keep this water untouched for 30 minutes and we will call this bowl 1. Vioni, now we have to take bowl 2 and put some slime glue in it.
Really?
You want?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, I'm opening. I will take. Now we have to put some water in the bowl too. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Now we have to mix it with wooden stick.
Wooden.
Fast, fast. For 30 seconds count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we have to keep this bowl 2 solution also untouched for 30 minutes.
And this glue is good.
Yes, glue is good. We have both solution now. Now we have our bowl 1 and bowl 2. Now we have to pour some water from bowl 1 to bowl 2. Now we have to mix fast in bowl 2 till 2 minutes. You can see the slime will start forming.
Is it risky?
No. You sit.
Can I touch? Can I touch this? I know.
Now we have to keep it untouched for 15 minutes. Vioni,
Yes.
do you want blue slime or red slime?
Blue.
Blue? Okay.
Are you opening?
Yes.
Okay.
We have to put this blue color in the bowl too. Now we have to put some water from bowl 1. Then
Water.
mix it fast.
Fast.
If you want to make glitter slime, then you can mix glitter also.
Mix. Splash. Splash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay. Yes. See, our slime is ready. Yes. Don't touch like this. Want to mix? Now we have to take some water from the bowl 1. तो गाइस हमारी स्लाइम हो गई रेडी। अब हम उसे 15 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट देके उससे खेल सकते हैं। तो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Johnny, do you like slime?
Yeah.
Want to make slime with me?
Yes.
So come on, let's make slime. Which slime do you like?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, so make blue slime.